Brake and clutch fluid level and leak. Inspect. Preliminary activities or conditions. Position the vehicle on level ground or 2-post lift or 4-post lift. Open the bonnet and lock it in the open position using bonnet stay rod. Caution: use recommended Mahindra Maximile .4 fluid and do not mix different brand fluids. In case fluid reservoir is replaced, brake and clutch system would need bleeding. Brake or clutch fluid level and leak check to be done at 1000 kilometers, 10,000 kilometers and every 10,000 kilometers service interval. Always use fluid from sealed container and ensure that it is never opened with dirty hands. Avoid direct water spray on reservoir while washing the engine compartment. If Maximile .4 brake fluid is not available in emergency conditions, use brake fluid meeting SAEJ 1703 FMVSS number 116.4 or IS 8654 Type 2 specification and change it at 30,000 kilometers or 2 years, whichever earlier. Inspection procedure. Brake or clutch fluid, Mahindra Maximile .4 genuine brake fluid. Check brake fluid reservoir fluid level. If found less than minimum mark, top up to maximum mark. Check the reservoir for leakage and check the level of fluid. If found less, top up till maximum mark. Always maintain fluid level at maximum mark on reservoir. Brake fluid leakages check. Check for brake fluid leakage at master cylinder primary and secondary tubes. Check for brake fluid leakage at EHCU primary, secondary and outlets tubes. Check for brake fluid leakage or seepage from front flexible hose. Check for brake fluid leakage at front caliper inlet and bleeding nipple. Check for brake fluid leakage or seepage from front and rear Bundy tube joints. Check for brake fluid leakage at rear flexible hoses and Bundy tubes joints. Check for brake fluid leakage or seepage from bleeding nipple. Check for leakage in clutch system. Check the hose joint at reservoir and clutch master cylinder inlet hose connection for any leak and proper fitment. Check clutch master cylinder Bundy tube connection for any leak and proper fitment. Check clutch Bundy tube connection to concentric slave cylinder and bleeding nipple for any leak. Check the clutch high pressure pipe connection to concentric slave cylinder and bleeding nipple for any leak.